In this video, I will show you how you can set up text-to-speech on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just tap on Android Accessibility Suite, then tap on Install. And once the installation process is completed, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Installed Apps. Now on this page, you will find the option for Select to Speak. Now just tap on it, and from here, just enable the toggle for Select to Speak. After that, just tap on Allow, then tap on Select to Speak shortcut. And from here, just select where you want to see the shortcut for Select to Speak. As you can see, you can either set it as a shortcut over here, or you can add it as a shortcut in the quick settings. Just like that. Now just select where you want to see this shortcut. For example, I'll set it on both. After that, just go back and tap on Settings. From here, just tap on Text-to-Speech Settings. Now from here, if you tap on Preferred Engine, you can select the preferred engine for text-to-speech. As you can see, by default, it is on Text-to-Speech by Samsung, but you can also select the one from Google. Now after you select your preferred text-to-speech engine, after that you can just go back and you can tap on Languages, and from here you can select your language. Now you can either use the system language which is set on your Samsung phone, but you can also customize the language from here. After that you can increase or decrease the speech rate. You can either make it slower or faster, and also you can lower down or increase the pitch of the voice. Now if you tap on play, you will hear a preview of the text-to-speech.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Just like that. Now to use text-to-speech, just go to your home screen and open any page which is filled with text. For example, I'll open the browser. Now after you open an article or a text on the screen, now just tap on the shortcut for text-to-speech. As you can see, you can either use the shortcut from the control center or we can use the shortcut on the screen. Now after you do that, you will find this icon at the bottom of the screen. Now just tap on the play button.
View 7 corroboration links. About this result. Samsung Galaxy S26 with Galaxy AI, Samsung Pakistan. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series is a flagship line of the.
Now after you do that, the text-to-speech will start reading the text on the screen. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.